In this, the display property is used to control how an element is rendered in the browser. It specifies the type of box used for an element and how it interacts with other elements in the document flow. Display block. This value makes the element a block-level element, as explained in the previous response. Block-level elements create a line break before and after themselves, and they occupy the full width of their parent container. Block element will start on a new line and occupy the full width available, and you can set width and height values. Display inline. This value makes the element an inline level element. Inline elements do not create line breaks and only take up the space necessary to contain their content. They are typically used for text or other elements that should appear in line with surrounding content. An inline element doesn't start on a new line and occupy just the width it requires. You can't set a width and height values. Display inline-block. This value combines aspects of both block level and inline elements. It allows an element to have block level properties, such as setting width and height, while still behaving as an inline element within the flow of text. In the inline block, it's formatted just like the inline element, where it doesn't start on a new line. But you can set height and width values. Display none. This value completely removes the element from the rendering. The element and its content are not displayed on the page, and it does not affect the layout or interact with other elements. It's as if the element doesn't exist. Display grid. This value enables a grid container, creating a grid formatting context. It allows you to create complex two-dimensional layouts by defining rows and columns and placing child elements within the grid cells. Display flux. This value enables a flux container, establishing a flux formatting context for its child elements. It allows you to easily create flexible layouts by distributing space among the child elements and controlling their alignment and order. With justify content as a center, you can center an element inside the div. Inline-flex displays an element as an inline level flux container. The display inline-flex does not make flux items display inline. It makes the flux container display inline. So this is a basic difference between the elements of display inks. Hope you like this video and subscribe for more awesome videos.